Guys, I miss you guys so much, and thank you very much for 3K guys. I am very happy. So today we're going to do a DIY video. No laughing today. We're going to do a DIY video, and I bought the chapati stool from this guy who was selling chapati stuff. So I found, oh okay, my makeup stool was a bit low and I needed something that is a bit higher, so I decided to do a DIY with this chapati stool. So I hope you'll also learn from there and also try yours at a very low cost. So the one that I bought from House of Leather was 3,500, yet this one I made it with less than 1,000 shillings, guys. Can you guys imagine? So you can also save some money. Remember, this channel is for saving money. So first of all, we'll need the painting spray, the contact adhesive, which is the glue, and then we'll need a stapling gun and this stool chapo, and then we'll also use this cushion or yes, mattress, and then a pair of scissors and this box. So this is what we are going to use to put it as well here. Just take your old fur coat here and then make it for the, like, use this one to make your whatever ottoman stool. So the main purpose of this video is just to make some savings, just to save some of your money while you can do some of the things by yourself. So guys, you remember as I was doing my house tour, I had told you I bought this thing from House of Leather at 3,500 shillings. So I bought this one at 320 shillings after bargaining from 350. And then I bought this one at 350 shillings. Yeah, so a total of 650 shillings. And then this paint, I bought this spray paint at 300 shillings. So it's a total of 350 or like 950 shillings just to have your stool made. So let's begin the process and see how we're going to get it down. So the first thing we'll do is that we'll take the stool and place it here on the mattress, so that it can give us the shape that we need as we draw around on what we have to. What I will do next, because I don't have a biro pen, I will use this one to draw around, all around, as you can see. So now this is what we have. Just to minimize wastage, I have done it to the far end because I'll be using the other one to do another DIY. So I'll use my scissors to cut it all around. Sorry, because I'm recording and doing it at the same time. Hey, the struggles are real. So this mattress is kind of harder, and we are going to cut the cake here. Decided to cut our cake like this. Yeah. So yeah, here is our cake. So this is how it looks. Put it here. What I'm doing is that I am smearing this glue onto this so that I can put the mattress on top. So make sure like you do your best to put it everywhere on top. So this is the outcome now. What I'll do next, that I'll take this and place it here. Lazima hizi vitu tujue So please subscribe. Now it looks this way. So what I will do next is that I will start cutting the edges just to give it a smooth edge, yeah, to the end, like smooth edge. After cutting the edges, this is how it looks, guys. And the next thing, we want to deal with our sweater, almost sweater over there, the fur coat. I'll just go around, all around as I measure it, just to make sure that I'm doing the right thing. So let's do this now. So now I've cut it and this is how it looks. The next thing I'll do is that I'll take this thing off just to make sure that it doesn't slide over. So now I have removed the lining and this is how it looks like. So the next thing I'll do is just to put it over here, then start stapling it. I have folded it over and I'll make sure this side and all sides like they're uniform, and yeah, just now start to staple it. I have done one side like this one, and then I've done this other side so that it can be easier for me. So make sure as you are doing it, you do it as you fold it, just to give it what is it called, a leveled whatever, or a nice finishing. So we are almost coming to an end, and this is what I am doing. Now I can't hold the camera and do it at the same time, guys, so make sure like you make the edges look as natural as possible, like doing like this and boom. Yes, now this is how it looks. So what I'll do next is that I'll remove this using my scissors just to give it a nice finishing. So now this is how the thing looks like, and the next thing that you are going to do is that you are going to just spray the legs over. This is where I'm going to use the box now. I'll just be doing one by one. So I will just shake it to make foam on it. The reason why I chose silver is that my room is gray, so I'm going to just spray it. All over. So guys, this is the final result. Comment down there, let me know what you think about this, and if you think you can do it as well, and share your thoughts down there. Thank you very much, guys, for watching, and see you next time, guys. Bye bye.